Welcome to this guided meditation session, crafted especially for those embarking on their meditation journey. In this fast-paced world, finding moments of stillness and calm is essential. Meditation offers a sanctuary, a space to retreat, and reconnect with our inner selves. Whether you seek stress reduction, mental clarity, or simply a deeper understanding of your being, meditation is a powerful tool. Let's dive in. Before we begin, it's crucial to set up a conducive environment. Find a quiet, clutter-free space, away from distractions. Dim the lights or use soft, ambient lighting. You may choose to sit on a cushion or a comfortable chair, ensuring your spine is straight. The idea is to create a serene, undisturbed setting that aids your practice. Your posture plays a vital role in meditation. Whether you opt for the classic cross-legged position or sit on a chair, ensure your spine is erect, yet relaxed. Imagine a string gently pulling the crown of your head upwards, aligning your body. Rest your hands on your lap, in a gesture of openness. This posture not only promotes alertness but also allows for the smooth flow of energy. As you settle into your posture, shift your focus to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen, the coolness of the inhalation, and the warmth of the exhalation. Breathing deeply and slowly, in a rhythmic pattern, helps calm the mind and anchor it to the present moment. Let your breath be your guide, your constant companion throughout this journey. In meditation, thoughts are inevitable. Rather than resisting or engaging with them, we practice mindfulness. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing by in the vast sky of your mind. Observe them, acknowledge their presence, and let them drift away. The key is not to judge or analyze, but to cultivate a state of detached awareness. Another powerful technique in meditation is guided visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a serene landscape, a place that brings you joy and tranquility. It could be a lush forest, a pristine beach, or a tranquil garden. Engage all your senses, feel the gentle breeze, hear the rustling leaves, smell the fragrant flowers. This visualization not only deepens your practice but also enhances your ability to manifest positivity. Mantras, sacred sounds or words, have been used in meditation for centuries. They create a rhythmic vibration, a resonance that calms the mind and energizes the body. A popular mantra is Om, the primordial sound of the universe. Chant it softly, letting the vibrations permeate your being. As you do so, you'll experience a sense of harmony and connectedness. As we conclude this meditation session, remember that the tranquility you've experienced is not limited to this moment. Carry it with you, in your interactions, your daily tasks. Let it be a guiding light, a source of strength. With regular practice, you'll find that the benefits of meditation extend far beyond the cushion. Thank you for joining us in this journey. May you find infinite peace and joy.